Hey guys, welcome again in a new video. As we show in thumbnail, today's video is dedicated to unlock a smartphone pin pattern and password. And if you're watching this video, then I'm sure my friend your phone has been locked due to forgotten pin pattern or password. So don't worry at all. In this video, at the end of this video, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. And if my previous video didn't work on your phone and your smartphone could not unlock, then don't worry at all. By the method what I'm going to give you in this video, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. But watch this video till the end. Further in this video, I will also tell you why sometime the method of unlocking don't work and your phone could not unlocked by the video. Before revealing this method, there are some important things that you will have to take care of it. The first thing is that your smartphone should be charged at least 30%, otherwise whatever data in your phone can be deleted. So before starting this video, you should fully battery charge at least 30%, or else you can charge your phone at the time of using this unlocking method. Okay. And one of the most important thing I would also like to tell you, my friend, that this method updates every month. So if your phone is not unlocked with this trick, then take help of my upcoming videos or old videos. And for this, you must subscribe to the channel. And if your phone is unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. This gives us a lot of encouragement to make the video for the further help you. First of all, whenever your phone is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. Okay. Now this unlocking method known as offline unlocking method. Okay, so firstly your phone should be completely offline mode. Okay, now you can see in my phone, just a minute, I'm showing you my phone's Wi-Fi network has been activated in my phone. So firstly I will have to switch off my Wi-Fi network. So for this I will have to switch off my Wi-Fi network. So simply I will have to slide my phone slider downside. You can say there are lots of keys here. Now you can see there is an option of a flight mode, you can see here, and it's also known as airplane mode. So simply when you will click on this airplane mode or flight mode, your all the network like telecommunication network, Wi-Fi network will be closed and your phone will be ready to go with the master unlocking method. So I am going to click on this option. Now you can see when I clicked on this option, my all the phone's network has been switched off. Now the second method, all the running application when your phone was not locked should be closed. So generally it is not possible to closing all the running application until your phone is unlocked. So there are some secret code which generally generated by the service center within 2 or 3 days gap. Okay, so this secret code I am going to give you. You can also take a screenshot of this secret code, but this secret code is valid for the 2 or 3 days. So if this secret code helped you to unlock your phone, that means it's okay. Otherwise you can take help of my upcoming videos for the further these type of secret code. So how will you feed your secret code in your phone to close all the running application? So simply you will have to see here emergency call option. So simply you will have to click on emergency call option, and when you will click on emergency call option, you will get a such type of dialing pad on your phone's display. So in this page you will have to dial this secret code, and this secret code is it means recently secret code is star has 777, then star, then 999, then hash. This is the secret code and this is valid for 2 or 3 days. Okay, so you will have to call on this secret code. When you will call on this secret code, you will get a pop-up of a call failed. So simply ignore this pop-up with the OK button. Again you will have to do this process 3 times. Again call and again OK. Now your all the running application, your all the background running application is closed now, and your phone is ready to go with the engineer's mode or master unlocking method. Okay, so now you will have to clear this number with this back button, and when you had cleared this number, you will have to feed here a secret code by which you can reach to the engineer's mode or master unlocking mode, and this secret code is star has 899 then hash. After clicking on hash, you will get here a page of a engineer's mode or master unlocking mode, and you will get a lots of option here from top to bottom. You can see here there are too many options here. Now you can see there is an option of a software version at the 5th position. You can see here. So you will have to go with this option. However, there are lots of options and all the options have the specific function, so you don't have to go with these options because these options are generally used to modify your phone. So you will have to when you have to unlock your phone, that means you will have to go with the option software version. So simply go with the software version, and when you will go with the software version, you will get a such type of page. You can see here the first option, you can see here it's your phone's model number, that is RMX 2117. Okay, so you will have to ignore this option. But at the second number, you can see here there is an option of Android version 12. It may be your phone will showing here Android version 13, Android version 10, Android version 11. So if your phone showing here Android version 13, that means you will have to click on this option 13 times rapidly. So but here my phone showing here Android version 12, it means I will have to click on this option 12 times rapidly, like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. Now the first process of unlocking method has been completed. Now you will have to go with the back button like this, and when you will click on the back button, you will reach to the previous page where there is another option at the above of software version. You can see here that is a manual test option. So simply now you will have to go with the manual test option, and when you will click on manual test option, you will get a such type of page. You can see here the option is assembly test project, and here are also 3 type of option, but you don't have to go with these option. Simply you will have to slide your phone right side until you reach to the option of other. Okay, now you can see the other option has been appeared on my phone. You can see here. Now you can see there are 5 type of option here in my phone's display. So simply you will have to go with the option at the 4th number. You can see here that is database version. It may be possible your phone will be showing here mainboard version, but both have the same function but the different name. So ignore the name. You will have to click on this option 7 times rapidly, like this. What I'm going to do here: 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Now the second process of unlocking method has been completed, my friend. Now you can see at the second number there is an option of read write important lock test, and it's very most important option. Okay, so now I'm going to click on this option, and when I clicked on this option, I have been asked to confirm this option, but I don't have to confirm this option with the OK button. I will have to confirm this option with the cancel button, and I will have to repeat this process 3 times continuously, 2 and 3. But at the 4th time when I clicked on this option, this time I will have to confirm this option with the OK button. And when I clicked on OK button, it means my all the forgotten pin, pattern or password are on reconstruction mode. It means all the forgotten pin, pattern and password are deleted now, and my phone is ready to create a new password. Okay, sorry for the inconvenience. Now the very last process I am going to give you, and if you are skipping any process and any step, it means your phone is not going to unlock, my friend. So simply I would like to tell you, you will have to follow all the steps like this what I'm going to give you in this video. Okay, so now you will have to simply slide your phone left side until you reach to the device debugging page. You can see at the top device debugging page has been appeared in my phone. You can see here, and there are also lots of options here. You can see here fingerprint test, keypad test, like this. There are lots of options, but you don't have to go with any option. And you can see here there is an option of a sensor self test and calibration. So simply you will have to click on this option, and when you will click on this option, you can see here there are 2 type of options are showing on my display. It may be possible your phone showing here 1 option or 3 option. So simply you will have to click on these option and start these operation. You can see all the options are showing here operation not started, and the second option is also showing here operation not started. So simply I will have to start these operation by the clicking on these options simply. And when I will click on this option, test will be started here, and you will have to click on these options until you get a single test pass message. Okay, so now you can see here I'm going to click test has been started and test failed, test has been started and test failed. So simply I will have to clicking on these options continuously until I get a single test passed message. Now you can see, my friend, my first single test passed message has been appeared on my phone. It means my phone's unlocking method, it means my forgotten pin, pattern and password unlocking method has been completed. It means now I don't have to do anything with my phone. Now simply I will have to check whether my phone has been unlocked or not. So what will I do? So simply you will have to go with the home button, which is showing here bottom of the phone. You can see here there is an option of a home button. So simply you will have to click on home button to check whether your phone has been unlocked or not. So now I am going to click on this option. Now you can see, my friend, my phone has been completely unlocked, and all the data and all the application of my phone as it is as in my phone. So if your phone has been also unlocked with this trick, then do the like this video for the further this type of secret codes. Okay, so see you in the next video with the next help. Thank you very much.